Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe billing for subscriptions in Flutter step by step clearly. To set up Stripe billing for subscriptions in your Flutter app, begin by creating a Stripe account if you haven't done so already. Once you have your Stripe account, navigate to the Stripe dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Developers section in the sidebar. Click on API keys to find your publishable key and secret key. Next, create a new Flutter project. Open your project in your preferred IDE. In the terminal, run the command to add the necessary dependencies. Add the Stripe package to your pubspec.yaml file. Ensure you also include the HTTP package for server communication. After updating your dependencies, create a new Dart file for your Stripe service. In this file, import the required packages. Set up a class for managing your Stripe interactions. Define a method for initializing Stripe with your publishable key. Create a method to handle customer creation in Stripe. This method will involve making an API call to your backend server. Next, set up your backend server to handle API requests from your Flutter app. Using Node.js, Express, or any preferred server framework, create an endpoint for customer creation. In your server code, use the Stripe library to handle incoming requests. Parse the request to retrieve customer information. Use this information to create a new customer in Stripe. Return the customer information back to your Flutter app. Now, in your Flutter app, create a method for calling your server endpoint. Use the HTTP package to send a post request with the customer data. Handle the response and display any errors to the user. Once you can successfully create customers, set up the subscription plan in Stripe. Navigate to the billing section in the Stripe dashboard. Create a new product and set up a pricing plan for your subscription. After completing this, get the plan ID from your Stripe dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.